Hello and welcome to Study Care. In this video, we bring you the most important current affairs, covering national, international, political, scientific, and sports news. Whether you are preparing for B.Ed, SSC, UPSC, or any other competitive exam, these updates are key to your success. Stay informed, stay ahead, let's get started. Questions number 1. Explosion at illegal fireworks factory in Gujarat on April 1st. How many killed? Answer. 21 people died in the Disa explosion. 2. Which heat wave struck India and Pakistan in early April 2025? Answer. The 2025 India-Pakistan heat wave, with temps up to 48 degrees Celsius. 3. Tiger Triumph 2025, military exercise held in April. Name the two phases. Answer. Harbour phase in Vishakhapatnam, 1 to the 7th of April, and sea phase of Kakinada, 8 to the 13th of April. 4. India launched which rescue operation after Myanmar earthquake? Answer. Operation Brahma, starting March 28 with relief continuing into April. 5. Which Amendment Act came into effect on April 5? Answer. The Waqf Amendment Act, 2025. 6. Where and when did violent protests over the Waqf Act occur? Answer. Murshidabad on April 8, 3 killed, protests also in Tripura and Kozhikode. 7. Pakistani terrorist Tahawwur Rana was extradited and arrived in which city on the 10th of April? Answer. He arrived in Delhi. 8. Which ancient relic discovery in April were? Answer. 2000-year-old megalithic relics in Kerala's Manimula village. 9. President Draupadi Murmu received City Key of Honor in which city on April 7th? Answer. Lisbon, Portugal. 10. Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd. How many killed? Answer. 26 civilians were killed. 11. Which bilateral military and diplomatic response followed the Pahalgam attack? Answer. India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, launched Operation Sindoor strikes in May. 12. Which defense deal was signed on April 28? Answer. Agreement with France for 26 Rafale M fighter jets. 13. April 19th building collapse wherein casualties? Answer. In New Delhi, 11 people were killed. 14. India's first monthly unemployment survey reported what rate for April? Answer. 5.1% unemployment rate. 15. IMF's revised GDP growth forecast for India in April 2025. Answer. Revised down to 6.2% from earlier 6.5%. 16. NGT action in April which issue and where? Answer. NGT reprimanded Odisha officials for dumping 40,687 empty fly ash on forest land in Dain Canal. 17. Delhi police arrested who in connection with a grenade attack in Punjab? Answer. Akashdeep Singh from Indore. 18. How many orphan animals were rehomed after Wayanad landslide? Answer. 13. 9 cats, 5 kittens, 2 dogs. 19. What environmental rule was notified on April 16th? Answer. Greenhouse gases emissions intensity, GAE, target rules, 2025. 20. What percentage increase was seen in Hyderabad drug treatment clinic patients? Answer. 1300% increase from 2020 to 21 to 2024 to 25. 21. NISAR as a joint Earth observation mission of which two space agencies? Answer. NASA and ISRO. 22. What tragic event occurred in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, on the 22nd of April 2025? Answer. A terrorist attack killed 26 tourists. 23. What treaty did India suspend after the Pahalgam attack? Answer. The Indus Waters Treaty. 24. What major step did India take against Pakistan on the 24th of April 2025? Answer. Closed airspace, imposed visa bans, and expelled diplomats. 25. What military event occurred on the India-Pakistan border on the 25th of April 2025? Answer. A brief exchange of fire at the line of control, LOC. 26. What accident occurred in Mandsaur, Madhya Pradesh, on the 27th of April? Answer. A van fell into a well, killing 12 people. 27. Which fighter jets did India agree to purchase from France in April 2025? Answer. 26 Rafale fighter jets. 28. What incident occurred at Rituraj Hotel in Kolkata on the 29th of April? Answer. A fire that killed 14 people. 29. What warning did Pakistan issue on the 30th of April 2025? Answer. Warned of a potential Indian military strike. 30. What mobile app was discussed in PM Modi's Mann Ki Baat in April 2025? Answer. Sachet, a disaster alert app. 31. Similipal, declared a national park, is located in which Indian state? Answer. Orissa. 32. What was India's wholesale inflation rate in March 2025, as reported in April? Answer. 2.05%. 33. How much total power capacity did Rajasthan add in FY 2024-25? Answer. 34 gigawatts, including 23.83 gigawatts solar. 34. Which company was fined rupees 1.06 crore by IRDAI in April 2025? Answer. Flipkart. 35. What MoU did the Labour Ministry sign with Swiggy in April? Answer. To create 12 lakh gig jobs through the NCS portal. 36. What historic space mission did Blue Origin launch on the 14th of April 2025? Answer. First all-women tourist spaceflight aboard New Shepard NS-31. 37. What was India's revised GDP growth forecast for 2025 by Moody's? Answer. 6.1%. 38. What deadline did the RBI extend for note sorting machine compliance? Answer. November 2025. 39. What amount of investment was announced at the Coastal States Fisheries Meet in Mumbai? Answer. Rupees 255 crore. 40. What key issue was highlighted in the UN's World Social Report 2025? Answer. Rising inequality, insecurity, and mistrust in societies.
I hope this video helped you for your exam. Thank you for watching.